Rolling Stones?
I do the prank videos.
No. Oh, it's the Beatles.
Oh my god.
It's really good.
Oh, I know you.
Not filming, is it?
Yeah. Do I like PewDiePie?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't really watch him.
Very funny.
Yeah?
Funnier than you.
Thanks.
Don't zoom in on Ryan.
This is great. It's Sue's lesson. Oh yeah. I love this.
Yeah. Some parliament, I thought I was freaked out.
Yeah.
That's what she did. You might tell her down to the field. Fucking pros.
Two shots.
So good.
This is gonna take a while. Job. You're yellow.
Taking a picture of our horse.
Actually, it's a video, so you know. Why is he with that gimp? Come here. See him? Yeah, with the glasses. Oh, yeah, the guy with the glasses.
It's like waffle lumper.
Oh yes, that is amazing. It's your guy.
Look like it'll go in down there.
You gonna beat me? Yeah? I remember that. Oh yeah. Oh come on, that's not fair. I'm gonna cry. Look at that. It's right there. Oh, it's so zoomed in. What have I? What are you doing, you bastard?
You're still winning.
Are you ready? I'm gonna beat you.
Beat your ass. Shut up.
I need 2 shots.
Shut up.
Lots of pressure.
Shut up. Shut up. Yeah, no pressure, Emma. No pressure.
You could actually.
No pressure. No pressure.
No,
Yeah. You want your hit to stay on?
No pressure.
You will. Take off it. You're dumb, bro.
that's how shit I am at this game.
You're gonna need to get that. Come here.
Because I'm good.
Oh, why are you going the hard way? You probably can't that.
Watch this way.
Oh.
Good
job.
That's Steve Douglas.
Yeah? Oh. I keep setting you up and stuff. It's not fair. And you got another one because I put your yellow. You've not seen me. Hey, good luck. Hey, that's 2 shots to me, I think.
And I've set you up.
Thank you.
What is it?
Yeah, look at this.
Show me testicles on the table.
Right, are you ready? I'm going to win.
Best not miss them.
I will.
Damn, you miss it.
No, you shouldn't put the black. It's at an awkward angle.
If it touches it, I'll tell you.
Queer.
Oh, you freaking snookered me, bitch. Kind of.
Oh, let's go. Oh, it's fucking fun. You think I was gonna hit it? You think I was gonna hit it? No. Let's go.
Man. So, yeah, what was that? Moaning at me.
I'll look at you, you know it. Come on, let's get it. He's doing his business.
So you hit the black last time. Good job.
But Dad, a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
It's. Oh no, you've got this. Do you want to see that? That X on the beach thing?
Yeah.
Me too.
I'll watch that. Sunset
Suspicious Parents.
Yeah.
It's good that, isn't it?
And it ain't where the title put the end though. I can feel it. Oh, well done.
Thank you. I think I snookered you.
Yeah, really. Big fun.
Aww. Yep, Kaya, I'm gonna be late. Come on, Kaya, you need to. Oh no, look who it is. 2-2. What was that? I try to, but I'm hurrying because I'm gonna miss my lesson. And then, oh, you've got this. Go on, you can do it. Good job. Okay, you win. I won the lottery. Well, it's not really a lottery. It's more of a scratch card. And I got like £6. Shut up. At least it's something. Right? Okay, sorry, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, thanks for watching. I had a pretty cool day today, I guess. It was fun. You didn't really get to see much. You kind of did, but you kind of didn't, if you know what I mean. You saw like the fun stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, adios, amigos.